Good day, students. I am Ma'am Wen, ang makakasama ninyo for today's lesson. So, our lesson is factoring by the greatest common monomial factor. So, unahin muna natin, ano yung greatest common monomial factor? So, the highest number that divides exactly two or more polynomials. Ito yung pinakamataas na number na pwedeng mag-divide doon sa given two or more polynomials. Example, what is the greatest common monomial factor of 4, 6, and 10? So, masasolve natin ito. Gagamit muna tayo ng prime factorization. 4 is 2 times 2, 6 is 3 times 2, and 10 is 5 times 2. Ngayon, hahanapin natin yung common sa kanila. Okay, 2. So, our greatest common monomial factor is 2 dahil wala nang ibang parehas common sa kanila. Next, what is the greatest common monomial factor of 24xy and 12x cubed? So, unahin natin ang 24. Hanapin natin ang prime factorization ng 24. Ang 24 is 6 times 4, pero ang 6 and 4 are composite, kaya meron pa yan. Ang 6 ay 3 times 2, ang 4 ay 2 times 2. So, yung 24 ay 3 times 2 times 2 times 2 times x times y kasi may 24xy yun. So, 12 naman. Next, in second, 12 is 6 times 2 and then yung 6 ay 3 times 2. Yung 2 hindi na kasi ang 2 is already a prime number. Kaya, yung 12x cube ay 3 times 2 times 2. And, kaya dahil cube, 3 ang exponent, kaya tatlong x ang ilalagay natin. X times x times x is x cube. Hanapin natin ang mga common sa kanila. 3, 2, 2, and x. So, ibig sabihin, ang greatest common monomial factor natin ay 3 times 2 times 2 times x. Kung ano yung pareha sa kanila, yun, ibababa mo na ibababa yun at i-multiply mo yun. So, 3 times 2 times 2. Ang 3 times 2 is 6 times 2 is 12. So, x. Next, eto na, dito na tayo sa factored form. Factoring by greatest common monomial factor. Yun lesson proper natin. So, 4m squared n plus 10mn. Ganito lang ang solution. Ang bawat term, kukunan natin ng prime factorization. So, ang 4 ay 2 times 2. Dahil m squared yan, kaya dalawang m ang ilalagay natin times n. And then, yung 10 is 5 times 2. Ang m times n. Ngayon, hanapin natin ang common sa kanila. Ano yung common? Parehas. 2 and m. Isang 2 at saka isang m. So, ang greatest common monomial factor is, ay, meron pa pala. Ang n pa pala. Sorry. So, ilagay muna natin kung ano yung natitira. 2m, and then sa baba, natitira is 5. Lista natin ang greatest common monomial factor. Isang 2, tapos isang m, times isang n. Kaya 2 times n times n, times m times n is 2mn. Yung factored form niya, unahin natin ilagay yung kanyang greatest common monomial factor. Yan, yung 2mn. And then, isunod natin yung natitira sa first term. Ang natitira is 2m. Ang natitira sa pangalawa is 5. Kaya, 2m plus 5. So, pag pinultiply natin yan sila, 2mn times 2m is 4. 2 times 2 is 4. And then, m times m squared, n. And then, yung next term, 10m and yung kanyang product. So, ano tayo doon sa binigay na expression. So, ibig sabihin ang sagot, 2mn times the quantity of 2m plus 5. Okay, number 2, write 25h squared m raised to 4 minus 55h cubed m squared plus 5h squared m in factored form. So, unahin natin yung first term, yung 25h squared m raised to 4. Ang 25 ay 5 times 5, and then h squared is dalawang h, and then 4 na m. Next, yung 55 is 5 times 11, and then tatlong h, and then dalawang m. And then 5h squared m, 5, tapos dalawang H, and then M. And then, hahanapin natin yung common sa kanila. Unang-una is we have 5. And then, isang H, dalawang H, then isang M. I-write natin yung naiiwan. Dito, 5 and then tatlong M. So, M times M times M is M cube, kaya 5M cube. And then, 11HM, isang H and M. And then, sa baba, walang naiiwan, kaya this is 1. Next, the GCMF natin, ilist natin yung mga common, isang 5, and then dalawang H, and then may parehas na isang M. Our GCMF is 5H squared M. So, our factored form, isulat muna natin yung GCMF, which is 5H squared M times the quantity. Ang naiiwan sa una is 5M cube and then minus 11HM. Bakit minus? Dahil minus yung nasa, ito yung sign na to, is minus. So, 11HM plus 1. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned from it. God bless everyone. Keep trying and don't quit.